Ryan, our guests will arrive in 2 hours. Are we ready?
Almost. I just need to vacuum the living room.
Great. I'll finish setting the dining table.
Did you buy enough snacks and drinks?
Yes, I bought chips, cookies, fruit, juice, and soft drinks.
Perfect. What about dinner?
I've already prepared the pasta, salad, and garlic bread.
That smells delicious. Should we light the scented candles?
Yes, that will make the house feel warm and welcoming.
I'll also put some fresh flowers on the table.
Good idea. They'll make the room look beautiful.
Do we have enough chairs for everyone?
Yes, I brought 2 extra chairs from the guest room.
Excellent. Everything looks ready now.
I hope our guests enjoy the evening.
I'm sure they will. Let's welcome them with a smile.
Hi, Ryan. Do you have a minute?
Of course. What's up?
I have some exciting news. I'm getting married next month.
Congratulations. That's wonderful news.
Thank you. I'd love for you to come to the wedding.
I'd be honored to be there. When is the wedding?
It's on Saturday, August 15th at 4 p.m.
Where will it be held?
at the Rose Garden Banquet Hall in the city center.
That sounds like a beautiful venue.
It is. We're planning a small ceremony followed by dinner and music.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Great. I'll send you the invitation card today.
Thank you. I'll definitely be there to celebrate with you.
That means so much to me. See you at the wedding.
Hello. I'm looking for a new pair of glasses.
Welcome. Are you looking for prescription glasses or sunglasses?
I need prescription glasses for reading and daily use.
Of course. Do you have your eye prescription with you?
Yes, I had my eyes tested last week.
Great. We have many frame styles. Do you prefer metal or plastic frames?
I think a lightweight metal frame would be more comfortable.
Good choice. Would you like to try this silver frame?
Yes, it looks nice. Does it come in black too?
Yes, it does. We also offer anti-glare and blue light protection lenses.
I'll take the black frame with blue light protection.
Excellent choice. Your glasses will be ready in 3 days.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day. Hi, Ryan. Are we still planning the family dinner this Sunday?
Yes, everyone is excited to come.
Great. How many people will be joining us?
Around 10. My parents, my sister, her children, and our cousins.
That's wonderful. What should we cook?
How about grilled chicken, pasta, salad, garlic bread, and chocolate cake?
That sounds delicious. I'll also make fresh lemonade.
Perfect. Should we eat inside or in the backyard?
The weather looks nice, so the backyard would be a great choice.
I'll clean the patio and set up the table and chairs.
I'll decorate the table with flowers and candles.
Do we need to buy anything else?
Just some fruit, ice cream, and soft drinks.
I'll stop by the supermarket this evening.
Thanks! I can't wait to spend time with everyone.
Me too. It's going to be a wonderful family dinner.
Oh no! I think we have a flat tire.
Really? Let me take a look.
Yes, the front left tire is completely flat.
Don't worry. Let's pull over to a safe place first.
Good idea. I'll turn on the hazard lights.
Do you have a spare tire in the trunk?
Yes, I do. I also have a jack and a lug wrench.
Great! Do you know how to change the tire?
I know the basics, but it might take a little time.
That's okay. I'll help you if you need anything.
Thanks. If we can't fix it, we'll call roadside assistance.
Hopefully we won't need to. The weather is nice today.
All right, let's get started.
Once we're done, we can continue our trip safely.
Sounds good. Thanks for staying calm and helping me.
Ryan, you've been eating much healthier lately.
Yes, I'm trying to improve my diet and feel more energetic.
That's great. What changes have you made?
I eat more vegetables, fruit, and whole grains. I also drink plenty of water.
Do you still eat fast food?
Only once in a while. I prefer home-cooked meals now.
That's a smart choice. What do you usually have for breakfast?
Oatmeal with bananas and nuts, or eggs with whole wheat toast.
That sounds delicious and healthy.
It keeps me full until lunchtime.
Do you exercise too?
Yes, I go for a 30-minute walk every evening.
Healthy eating and regular exercise make a great combination.
I agree. I already feel stronger and sleep better.
Keep up the good work.
Thanks. Staying healthy is worth the effort.
Ryan, the house is getting a little messy.
I noticed that too. Let's divide the household chores.
Great idea. I'll clean the kitchen and wash the dishes.
Then I'll vacuum the living room and mop the floor.
Could you also take out the trash later?
Of course. Can you do the laundry this afternoon?
Sure. I'll wash and fold the clothes.
Thanks. I'll also clean the bathroom after I finish the floor.
That would be a big help. Teamwork makes everything easier.
I completely agree. It also saves time.
When we're done, we can relax and watch a movie together.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Let's finish everything before dinner.
Deal. We'll have a clean house and a relaxing evening.
Thanks for helping. I really appreciate it.
Anytime. Working together makes our home happier.
Hi, Ryan. Do you have some free time this weekend?
Yes, I do. Why do you ask?
I want to improve my driving skills. Could you give me a driving lesson?
Of course. I'd be happy to help.
Thank you. I still feel nervous when I park the car.
That's completely normal. We'll practice parking first.
Great. I also want to get better at changing lanes.
No problem. We'll practice that on a quiet road.
Should I bring my learner's permit?
Yes, don't forget your permit and your driver's license if you have one.
What time should we meet?
Let's meet at 9 a.m. on Saturday at the parking lot near the park.
Perfect. I'll be there on time.
Excellent. With practice, you'll become a confident driver.
Thanks for encouraging me. I really appreciate your help. Hi, Ryan. You look much better today.
Thanks. I'm finally recovering after my cold.
That's great to hear. How are you feeling now?
Much better. My fever is gone, and my cough has almost disappeared.
Did you get plenty of rest?
Yes. I stayed home for a few days, drank lots of water, and slept well.
Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I followed the doctor's advice and took my medicine on time.
That's good. Are you ready to go back to work?
I think so, but I'll take it easy for a few more days.
That's a smart idea. Your body still needs time to recover.
I agree. I'm also eating healthy meals to regain my energy.
I'm happy you're feeling better.
Thank you. I can't wait to get back to my normal routine.
Take care of yourself and don't rush. Hi, Ryan. Have you ever visited the City History Museum?
Yes, I went there last weekend. It was amazing.
Really? What did you like the most?
I loved the ancient artifacts and the dinosaur skeletons. They were fascinating.
That sounds exciting. Were there any interactive exhibits?
Yes, there were touch screens, short videos, and fun activities for visitors.
How long did you spend there?
About 3 hours. There was so much to see.
Did you take any photos?
Yes, but only in the areas where photography was allowed.
Was the entrance ticket expensive?
No, it was only $10, and students received a discount.
Great! I'd love to visit it this weekend.
You should. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Thanks for the recommendation.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful time at the museum.
Hi, Ryan. What are you looking at on your phone?
I'm checking kitchen appliances. I want to buy a new microwave oven.
That's nice. Is your old one broken?
Yes, it stopped working last week, so I need a replacement.
Have you decided which one to buy?
I'm comparing different models. I want one that's energy efficient and easy to use.
That's a good idea. What features are important to you?
I want quick cooking programs, a large capacity, and a child safety lock.
Sounds perfect. Are there any good discounts?
Yes, this store is offering a 20% discount and free delivery.
That's a great deal. Will you order it today?
Yes, I think so. It also comes with a 2-year warranty.
Excellent. I hope it makes cooking easier.
I'm sure it will. Thanks for helping me choose.
Hi, Ryan. You look like you're in a hurry.
I am. My bus was delayed, so I'm booking a bike taxi.
That's a smart idea. Is it faster than a car?
Usually, yes. It can move through traffic much more easily.
Which app are you using?
I'm using a ride-sharing app. It shows the driver's location and arrival time.
How long will it take for the rider to arrive?
About 4 minutes. He's already nearby.
That's quick. Can you see the fare?
Yes, the trip will cost about $5, and I can pay online.
Nice. Don't forget to wear the helmet.
Of course, safety always comes first.
I hope you reach your destination on time.
Thanks. I'll message you when I arrive.
Have a safe ride.
Thank you. See you later.